Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we are going to dress up some outgrown nails. Now, I know you ladies or gentlemen have some grown out nails now, and I just wanted to have some fun with them. You may have the supplies at home. If not, no big deal, just enjoy the tutorial. So I have just grown out nails, so I just have a hard gel layer on top of my nails. Again, I don't have it built up very much, and I'm not quite sure if I have filled this with Jimmy Gel yet. I think it's just the pink. So what I'm doing is just buffing off that top layer. So that top layer is just top coat, so just buffing off that top coat. I don't know why I said top layer, but just that top coat. And by doing that, we are going to expose the gel underneath. So cleanse that bad boy when you're done. And I'm coming in with that pink. This is pink One Step, and this is what I used on my nail. And that's why I'm using my clear brush, because this is essentially clear pink. So I'm just going to apply this all over my nail to the gel that's already there. So I'm not going to come in and prep and do all that stuff. I'm just going over the gel that I already have on my nail. So I will go ahead and let you all watch that. Grab your favorite chrome. I don't know where this is from, but they're everywhere. AliExpress, eBay, Amazon, you know, all of it. So I'm just applying this to the tip, to that wet gel. So I cured, and now I'm applying this, and I flipped over that sponge, or is it makeup applicator? Yeah. And I'm dragging it down the nail. That's it. That's all there's to this. We're not doing anything life-changing. We're just sprucing up some nails here. Again, these are outgrown, so I thought, why not do a little bit of something to give them a little bit of life, and I actually really liked them. So even if your nails are not boring like mine were, and you wanted to have some fun with them, I think a little chrome fade to anybody's nails is going to look awesome, because I really enjoyed it more than I expected, if I'm going to be honest here. So again, just applying a little bit to the tip, flipping the applicator over, and then bringing it down halfway, sometimes 2/3, depending on how much chrome is on there and how much I feel like it's coming out of the applicator. So I'm going to let you finish this up, and we'll catch you towards the end. All right, while we finish that bad boy up, you can take tack if you really want to seal this in, if you're wearing it for the full time. I am not, so I'm just going in with super shiny. So if you don't want any chipping, for sure. I did not get chipping, but I didn't wear this much longer than a couple days, so I didn't, again, put it on. But tack will keep it on a lot longer. Cure your tack and then come in with your top coat. So again, just taking super shiny as my top coat here and just applying it all over the nails, capping that free edge, and then we're gonna put some cuticle oil, rehydrate, and we're finished this up. That's how quick and easy it was, and I think it kind of packs a punch. I'm not gonna lie, I really enjoyed this more than I expected. If I'm gonna be honest, way more than I expected. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye bye.